Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm 𝐀𝐦𝐬𝐧𝑠. I hope you guys are all doing well. We're gonna be talking about this beautiful wig and you're gonna want to know all the details. Stick around. Today's hair sponsor is CurlyMe Hair. I've recently worked with them. This is actually my second collaboration with them. Today I have installed a 26-inch Mongolian deep curly 180% density glueless curly wig. I did bleach the knots. I think I'm gonna pluck some of the hairline out. This compared to this, can you see the difference? That's what we're going for. I will be securing this unit. I've been holding gel and also some ebon spray. I'm gonna go in with some mousse first. See what I want to do with the baby hairs. The thing about me is I don't like too much baby hairs. I don't like them too long. I don't like them too thick. I like literally just the slightest bit. I like to go in with the mousse first and then I like to set it once I have my desired like shape. Then I like to set it with holding gel. I'm gonna go in and clean up the part because when you bleach the knots, it doesn't always bleach perfectly. Either clean up that knot line or go in with like a dye pen. Spray down the rest of the hair. It's already pretty wet. I'm just spraying the top. Go in with any kind of like wet brush. I want to try this new product This is the Curl Paste Sculpting and Molding Brazilian Avocado and Manuka Honey. It's like a silicone-y kind of texture, and we shall see what it does for the wig. It smells pretty good. They did a really good job with the scent of that. What I'm gonna do is come back when it's dry, or at least more dry than this, because this is what it looks like wet with the curling product. The curls are really defined and beautiful. I bleached the knots on my wig before I even installed her. I plucked the closure just a bit. It is a 4x4 closure, and I didn't want it to look as sharp as the hairline was looking. So I just plucked a little bit and I kind of swooped it back a little and did some baby hairs, you guys. This lace is HD, so it's literally like giving wet lace. You know, you can go all the way up there and you're not gonna see any lace. I love it. Now the curl pattern, this is their deep wave. The hair is very soft, but it's giving me the curl pattern of like a kinky. Every company has a different variation of their textures. I'm here for it. I say it looks even maybe like an Italian curl. It's looking like a lot of things, but all beautiful curl pattern textures. So I am here for it. I'm loving the tighter curls on this unit. As you can see, the curls are very tight and very beautiful. Style this wig using this curl paste from Ebin. That also helped with the look. If you want a really defined wig, this curl paste is really good. This is actually my first time using this curl paste, and what I really like about it is, like I said, it makes the curls look like they're wet but it's dry. I love it. So if you want this wig to get really big, of course you can do that. You can just pick through her like this, but I don't want her to get any bigger than she is because I'm happy with how it's looking. I like my curly wigs to lay flat in a sense, like curly but still like straight looking. Like, I don't want it to go out this way. I want it to go curly but down. 26 inch, I would say this wig is definitely styled length 26, because when I stand up, you guys, it is giving me very long. It is giving me true to length, you guys. When we stretch her, she's even longer. Look how long she's hitting on me in its natural curl state. Just beautiful. You guys, they make beautiful wigs. They make affordable wigs. They make high quality, beautiful glueless wigs that are comfortable, made well. You don't feel any tracks. You don't see any tracks. It's just a 10 out of 10. I know that you guys would love it because it's giving very natural. It's giving like, wow, she has beautiful hair. If someone didn't know any better, they would think that this is my hair. And for sure, when it's styled with this product, yes, hands down, 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. It is bomb.com. Get one for you, your mama, and your best friend. You guys, I'm not playing with you. You need to check out CurlyMe Hair if you haven't done so already. If you want to pick up this wig or the other wig that I reviewed or any other wig from CurlyMe Hair, I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box below, so check that out before you go. Thanks so much for watching. If you made it this far into the video, you are the MVP of the day, and friend, I really do appreciate you. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on any future uploads or giveaways that I do. Bye.